Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Canan and well, long time no see. You're not going to see my face today, but my nails instead. I prepped them already and now I'm so excited to unbox this gorgeous box with you. I had a sneak peek already. It says hello glamorous on it. So let's unbox this. So this box arrived from New York. This is from a brand called Glam. It's brand new as well. Well, where do we begin? Now, Glam is a brand all about nail products. Now look at this box, super glamorous and sweet. We do have a mini UV LED lamp in here to cure our nails, like gel nails and stuff like that. Oh my gosh, it's super tiny and sweet, and I'm going to basically just plug this into my laptop to use it and like cure my nails with. Oh gosh, look at this. It's just like so sweet, right? So this is what it looks like. So I did plug it onto my laptop now, and it has this like cute stands over here and this power setter. So next off we are going to check out these shades. So I have a soak off base coat which I'm going to start with. Then I do have a top coat as well, which is clear. Also, oh my gosh, they have like over 1,800 shades, like colors. They're vegan and cruelty made, by the way, and of high quality, of course. I do have this shade right here, which looks like pastel nude-ish. Then we do have, oh my gosh, this blue. I think I'm starting with this blue one because I'm so into blue. I love blue. I miss my blue hair, by the way. And we do have a pale yellow. Oh my gosh, like yellow is my favorite color. So maybe I'm going to use this as well. But this nude one looks so classy as well. So I'm not really sure where to start, how to begin. But we will get there, guys. So as promised, I'm going to start with the base coat. Basically just going to brush this base coat all over my nails. I did prep them already with some polygel, and now I'm using this base coat. Okay, so now you can already see that they're shining compared to the other ones. You guys, I also have a coupon code, like a discount code for you if you want to like save some money. But I'm going to link everything down in the description so you can check like Glam out all by yourself. They have like over 200k follower on Instagram as well, so maybe you find some inspiration on there. I did. Did check them out, of course I did. And I love their posts, so colorful and sweet. So this is what I look like right now. We have the thumb left. So easy to brush on, by the way. The brush feels very good, high quality. Such a nice grip. So next I'm going to use a basic nail tool just to make sure that there's no excess products before I cure the base coat. But I think I did a good job here. So next I'm going to try the Glam Mini Light. Oh, look at it! So sweet. So shiny. Okay, we are done, guys. So this is the one with the base coat on compared to the other one, which is much matte and not as healthy looking. And next I'm going to choose like a color, and I don't know which one. I think I'm going to use the other blue one first. So let's see what this gel does. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's like pastel, pale blue. We will see. Oh my gosh, look at the pigmentation of it. So good. Look at it. I am obsessed already. Like, this shade gives me chills. Looks so beautiful. Wow. I mean, look at it. It's so stunning. I think you only need one layer of it because it's like thick and it covers everything. Oh my gosh, I want more of these shades. They're so beautiful. The pigmentation is literally unreal. I love it. Look at the shade of it. So beautiful. Okay. Oh my gosh. So pretty. I don't even know what to say because it's just stunning. I'm overwhelmed. This shade is going to look so cute on my toes as well. With some sandals on maybe. So sweet. Okay, so this is the pale blue shade and I am absolutely in love. Like, it looks super stunning. It's so easy to put on and I'm just overwhelmed because it looks so sweet on the nails. It's like this baby blue and I love blue. So next off I am going to use the top coat and I'm so excited about how it's going to turn out on the actual nails, because I hope that it's going to make the nails even more shiny and flawless. So we will see. Now I'm just waiting like to cure these, and off camera I'm going to do these nails. I'm done here. This is what the nails look like. They look thick and shiny and strong, by the way. Next I'm doing the thumb. Oh my gosh. We are done, guys. And I am extremely happy with the result. So sweet. Perfect for the summertime. And off camera, I'm doing this hand now. So, well, thank you so much for Madame Glam New York for working with me. To like collab with you is such an honor to me, and I am so happy to have tried out the blue shade. Next off, I'm going to try the other shades as well, and I'm pretty sure that I'm going to order some more shades from you because I am so impressed with the quality. Well guys, if you want to save some money, then use my discount code for sure. I'm going to link everything down in the description as I told you earlier. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up please, that would make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to make sure that you don't miss out on any new videos that I post. And thank you, bye!